Hey everyone, Kensurfs here. We're in the shave den and it's time for another shave. Well, it's Monday, the day is over, work day is over, and now it's nighttime. Just time to chill and relax, and for you, it's time for a shave. I'm gonna go a little out of order. HC&C, Hendrix Classics and Company, have a couple of soaps, and one of them I have to review yet, but I did get something from them, a collaboration between HC&C and Pasteurs that came out this weekend. And they'd actually asked me, they sent me this package last week and they said, hey, any chance of doing it by the weekend? But with my vacation and all, I didn't get a chance to do it. So I'm gonna jump in ahead of the other HC&C product to do the Pasteur collaboration with HC&C. And I guess Pasteur, they're doing their 5th year anniversary. Now, I don't think it's the 5th year of the pharmacy, because I do believe that pharmacy's been around a long time, but for them to be producing their own soaps and everything, I believe this is the 5th year anniversary of that. And feel free to comment in the section of the video if you know more than me, because I'm not sure. I haven't been to New York. I know they have 2 locations in New York, and I would eventually love to go see Pasteurs Pharmacy. But this is the latest, and it is a citrus, spice, and earthy scent. Oh man, it does smell good. And off the top of my head, I think it's got, what is it? Bergamot, orange. You know what? I'll make it easy. I'm gonna put the top notes, base notes, and mid notes right here. There you go. Some people ask for that, and you know, I butcher some of those. Bergamot, I got bergamot, but patchouli and stuff. I butcher some of those things. But anyway, that's the scent profile, and it's got a pleasant citrusy scent that, not just citrus, complex. Well, it smells good, and we're going to be using this today. Now the Eau Extract de Parfum that came with it, and you can get. I believe it's EDP, Aftershave, and the soap. Cream soap and hard soap. This is the hard soap. Yeah, this is the hard soap. And then they have shaving cream. But you got kind of a few choices of it. And they are available as of a few days ago on Pasteur's website, and I have the links to all of them in the description of this video. So we're going to be doing a shave with this today. And this is not aftershave. So it's not something you want to splash on like crazy, because the parfum, the scent lasts a very long time. It's very concentrated. What is it? Aftershave, Eau de Toilette, Parfum. I believe that's where it's, you know, the least strength to the maximum strength. And that's usually a little more expensive. That's why you get them in smaller bottles. All right, I'm going to use the Kensurfs 2025. This is the Badger. This is not the synthetic. I'm going to be using the Badger in today's shave. Let's put that in there. And these are not only available, you know, I do these, you know, whatever's going on, buying directly from China, tariffs, whatever it is, you can buy these through the links in this video, AliExpress, but they're also available on eBay. So, you know, if it makes it easier and you don't want to go to AliExpress if you're interested, check out eBay. You know, you do what you want. All right, so I'm going to be using the Game Changer, Razorock Game Changers. This is the 0.68 or the 6.8, 0.68. There you go. I'm going to be using this today. And I have the HD handle on it. I do have the Mamba too, the Mamba also, and you can get different handles for these, but I kind of like the Game Changer. I haven't used it in a while. I'm going to use it with some Persona blades. So welcome. Shall we get a shave going? It's good to see you. All right. Here we go. I just did a shave a couple of days ago, and not really much has happened since then with me. You guys have a good weekend? You go travel anywhere? Go see anything? Do anything? All right. Let's put the blade. Oh. Actually, I probably should have put the blade on the base first, but see, there we go. And on the Game Changer, there's no overhang. So I guess I can just have that like that. She's locked in. I really like the HD handle. It's kind of short and sweet. It's almost like the 34G. Almost. Same style, but you know, this is adjustable. But for whatever reason, I like it. It's such got a narrow head that you can get right under your nose for a shave with no issues. And I guess, I don't know which came first. The feather head, or, you know, it's similar. It's not exactly the same, but these things are way expensive. These are very reasonable, and you can kind of build your own. All right, here we go. Let's get the shave started, shall we? Let me wet the face. All right. Let's see how this soap works. And Pete Hendrix from Hendrix Classics and Company is kind of doing a collaboration with me. We're coming out with kind of a Kensurfs soap and aftershave, and I smelt the Eau de Parfum today of that. They haven't got the labels quite there yet or anything, but things are in the works. What am I dripping? Oh, it's dripping off my arm. Okay. Things are in the works. If you're looking for a pure citrus scent, this one is a complex citrus scent, because it's not just citrus. You've got other aspects in there. And I hope, you know, a lot of times I come to the party and tell you guys about these products, and then people say, oh, they're already sold out. So if you're interested, you notice I never tell you go buy stuff. That's always up to you. I just like to try it out, shave with it for the first time, see if it works, and do that in front of you. Okay, here we go. First time shave with this soap. Here's some good feedback. Soap's very slick. It's not drying out. I had a habit a few years ago, kind of grinding my teeth when I was sleeping. I had to wear a stupid mouth guard. And then did I outgrow it, or did I just stop it? But, oh man, the other day, middle of the night, bit my tongue. Don't know what I was thinking. 2 days later, still hurts. Wife says, you should wear that mouth guard again. And then it's like, no. Just hope I don't bite my tongue. And I'm not the only one. I understand a lot of you guys wear mouth guards for grinding of teeth or for whatever it is, but kind of an inconvenience, isn't it? I think I caught my lower lip there. I'm not going to say anything. Hopefully I didn't. I think they have at least 3 different heads available for the Game Changer with different aggression, and I think this is the mildest, but man, it works really good for me. A lot of you comment, you say, hey man, I got it like all 3. Awesome. Awesome. Because, yeah, I don't get a big thick beard. A lot of you guys get absolutely thick beards, and I do not. Man, okay, the lather on this, check this out. Look at this. It's great lathering soap. Oh man, look at that. Great lathering soap. All right. We'll do a second pass on this bad boy. See, I flipped that razor. Had one gent say, hey, you always shave with the one side, but no, I flip it. It's very easy to do with this. Very good. That's the tell, right? You look for the blood on the drain soap, see if you cut yourself, but I don't think I did. And the soap gives an excellent shave, so that's with no practice. Like I said, some of these, you know, not Pete, not Pasteurs, but some people say, hey, I want you to practice with the soap. You know, I say, no, I'm gonna do it right now for you live, and if something messes up, you're gonna see it. You're gonna see it. Soap in the ear. All right. I guess I probably, no, I'll just go straight with the Extract de Parfum. Let's see, pump it once. Get it primed. There we go. Boy, wow, that's strong. Ooh. Yeah, not exclusively citrus. You definitely get the blend on that. What's lucky, you guys in New York, you can go into the Pasteurs. I think they'll probably let you open it up and smell the soap. You guys been? Is that what it's like? You know, you know, where you can at least take a sniff, see what you think. But yeah, it's pretty good. Someone always says, do you just leave your brushes? And I try not to. So we'll rinse out this brush right here. And I think I've told you, I keep like a blue bowl in here. That way I can dump that into the toilet. But today we're just gonna rinse it in the sink. Shake it out real good. And then put it, whoops, don't drop the razor, on one of these hangers. Yeah. So that's how I kind of keep mine dry. And then when they're dry, they'll go whoops up there behind, standing on up this way. This one's all dry. My smoke brush dried perfect like that. Now I've got no problem putting it up there. All right, everybody. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for tuning in. If you're interested in looking at these products, I got links in the description of this video. And if you've tried them, let me know what you think. You know, maybe you guys got ahead of me since they've been out for a few days. But until next time, great seeing you all again. And Monday's over. All right, everybody. Bye for now.